What's up, guys? So my phone decided to be dumb and not save the 10-minute clip I did unboxing the stuff I just got. Also, Pete Romance BMW, sexy. And there's Derek's car. There's his green car. There's my car. Look at the spoiler, hey. So the stuff came in this box, pretty big box, and basically this is the intro to the video, except it's nighttime because I already did the video and realized it didn't save. So I'm doing the intro now. Not even a solid intro, but oh well. I'm JJ. This is Camry I. This is my Camry 1.0 build that I'm working on, and this is my everyday car, but it's gonna be fire as hell. And there's a buggy here now because ain't no way I just caught it. Look, there's this little dead guts on my hand. Nice. I'm basically a ninja also. I'm gonna start with the steering wheel trim and get the steering wheel out of the way. Steering wheel done. That looks good. I love how that looks. I did not take it before. But I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. Now that all the pieces are on, condensation looks kind of weird in the flashlight. But I'd say this turned out really clean. Really clean. I love it. I love it. This is such a good kit. It looks so good. It looks incredible. And then of course there's one of these on the other side. You saw it. Damn. It was good as hell. One really good thing is I got all the red trim from a different store on Amazon, and the reds match. Oh, thank God. I feel like all the pictures on all the stores on Amazon that sell like this or the steering wheel or whatever, they all have the same pictures, so I just feel like they're all probably the same red. So it leaves a little wiggle room right here and right here. It's not gonna be perfect, but at least it's the same amount of room on that side. That's all I care about. And from the distance, it doesn't look too bad. And I can grab it like normal. It's not gonna just rip off. Feels about the same size in my hand, even though it's a little tiny bit bigger. But now let's get this steering wheel emblem put on. This right here was a bitch and a half trying to take this shit off. Like, obviously now it's easy because I have it coming off and I'm trying to do it one hand, so it's not easy. But like trying to get it peeled up so I could just take it off, that shit sucked. But all right. Please don't honk the horn. There's neighbors. Please don't honk the horn. There's neighbors. Please don't honk the horn. There's neighbors. Nice. That already looks so much better. I gotta clean my car. Don't even say anything about that, or that, or those, or that, or that. I gotta clean my car. Don't come after me. But yeah, so That's the steering wheel and gear shift knob done. I'm getting like self-conscious because there's like yard work people across at the neighbor's yard and they keep looking at me. I don't care, fuck it. They're just jealous, they want to be in it. They don't want to be making Camrys. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Hope you guys subscribe to the channel, you know, that'd be nice. Go follow my car Instagram, it's down in the description. The link for both of these parts will be also down in the description if you want both or one or something similar. And oh yeah, you know, you could like the video if you want. Also comment down below like if you're enjoying how it looks or if you have ideas for things I should add. Don't say ideas for things I should take off because it's my car. I'm only doing things I want. But definitely leave ideas for like things to do, things to add, because I have tons of ideas, but you know, sometimes a outward perspective of like, oh, if you added this would be cool. Like, go for it. I'll most likely probably do it if I think it looks cool. So